Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Order bearing assembly of five more persons lifted. The Delhi police on Thursday informed the Supreme Court that an order prohibiting the assembly of five or more persons in the national capital from September 30 to October 5 has been withdrawn. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told this to a bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud when a matter pertaining to the order passed by Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora was mentioned for urgent listing. Solicitor General says that the order by the Commissioner of Police has been withdrawn. The CGI told senior advocate Menka Guruswamy, who mentioned the matter for urgent listening. The order issued by the police commissioner prohibited the assembly of five or more persons carrying of firearms, banners, placards, etc. Pocketing or dharnas in any public areas from September 30 to October 5, citing law and order issues, including calls of protest given by several organizations. Guruswamy mentioned the matter before the bench, also comprising Justices J.B. Pardiawala and Manoj Misra, and said the order passed by the police commissioner impacts the city right now because of the Dasahara season. She said due to the order, Ram Lila cannot take place and the order affects the Durga Puja festivities as well. Go to the Delhi High Court. The bench initially said Mehta informed the court that petitions raising similar issue was scheduled to come up for hearing before the High Court during the day. The CGI told Guruswamy that the senior law officer has stated that the order has been withdrawn. According to a police officer, the old order has ceased on the intervening night of October 2 and 3. According to the earlier order issued from the Delhi Police Headquarters, the police commissioner had directed to impose Section 163, which was earlier Section 144 of CRPC of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita in the districts of New Delhi, North Delhi and Central Delhi, and all police stations in the jurisdiction sharing the borders with the other states. The general atmosphere in Delhi is sensitive from a law and order point of view due to various current issues like prevailing communal atmosphere in view of the proposed Waqf Amendment Bill and the issue of Shahidgah in Sadar Bazar area, politically surcharged issue of MCD standing committee elections and pending declaration of results of DUSU elections, etc. The order had stated. Further, there will be heavy movement of the VIPs and dignitaries in the areas of New Delhi and Central District on October 2 on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. It had said Gandhi. The earlier order further stated that the Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana Legislative Assembly elections are underway and thus there was a need to have continuous checks on the movement of persons and vehicles from Delhi borders. Aam Aadmi Party said the withdrawal of the prohibitory order was a victory of the people, especially Hindu devotees. At a press conference, AAP leader and Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj claimed that the order had sparked outrage among Hindu devotees concerned about Navratri programs like temple visits, Jagran, and religious processions in the coming days. The 9-day Navratri celebrations began on Thursday. This is a moment of triumph for the people of Delhi, especially for the Hindu devotees who were worried about how they would celebrate the festival, said the AAP leader. The minister said that withdrawal withdrawal of the order was also a defeat of the lieutenant governor under whom the Delhi police worked. This is an embarrassing defeat for the lieutenant governor. Embarrassing. The central government and its lawyers knew that such absurd orders cannot be implemented in a sovereign free country, he said. The prohibitory order was challenged in the court by the Kalkaji temple priest, and during the hearing, the Solicitor General representing the Central informed that it was revoked. Bhardwaj said he also slammed the BJP and the RSS for not speaking against the order despite claiming to be defenders of Hinduism. And thank you guys for watching this.